father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance. In this life or the next.
You have 11 names. Each of the hand in planning of Munich. You're going to kill them.
John Miller. We will get. We want nothing.